guys, so we're working on the Supra today because the Conquest, I still can't figure out what's going on with it. But as you can see here, there's something missing in this area. Care to explain?
I'm going NA.
So yeah, what happened?
So I was doing a couple small things to get ready for the big race, and the GT35 stopped spinning while it was idling. And yeah, it's dead. Like, I shut the car down, tested the shaft play in it, and it was hitting the compressor housing. So it's toast.
Yeah.
Turbo died.
But luckily,
I still have the old TO4E that I got the car with that was supposedly blown, but come to find out it was a broken piston. Yeah. So let's hope that this one will last. Yeah. Because if it doesn't...
And build more than 10 pounds of boost.
Yeah. If it doesn't, I'm out.
Yeah.
That's my last shot.
Yeah.
Unless you want to donate, a 62. I won't say no. And even if it's a 6266, I won't say no to that either.
So yeah, we're gonna throw this guy on and start it up and see what happens. Right? Yeah.
The head gasket will blow.
Yeah. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we got the turbo pretty much back on. We just have to tighten up the housing, put the wastegate back on, and tighten up the downpipe, and should be good to go. And I know you're saying to yourself, well, that looks like the same turbo. Well, the housing's the same, but the internals are different. So the old one was a GT35, and this is a TO4E.
Yeah. I think.
As far as we know.
Yeah. Lip wasn't, our Super Sport that doesn't exist anymore wasn't exactly too helpful when I emailed them.
2,000 years later.
All right, we're back from vacation. And it wasn't really a vacation because I was sick, but yeah, you know. Thanks everybody for the get well wishes. I really appreciate it. So it's been 2 weeks since we last filmed. Yeah, it's been 2 weeks. Something like that. Yeah, it's been about 2 weeks. So last, you just saw us basically struggling, putting the turbo back on. And we had to call it quits that day because our time was up. But during that time period, Randall got the turbo back on. But then if you notice, the compressor housing looks different. So the bolts in the back of the GT35 compressor housing got stripped out. So he put his TO4E housing on, I guess.
Yeah.
So
It's a Lip Junior.
a Lip Junior.
Yeah, the turbo.
So
Or Bosch Junior. Yeah, made by Lip.
okay. So he got everything back on, took it for a drive, and it wasn't.
It wouldn't hit more than 8 psi.
Yeah.
Still, and yeah. So it's been driving me crazy because I can't figure out what it is, and like I've checked everything. So figure, all right, start back at the basics, and I did a smoke test.
Yeah.
Like I filled that motor full of smoke.
Yeah.
And I found a split connector on the intercooler. And it was like not all the way down, but like half of it was split up, and it stopped right above where the two pipes went together. So it was a big nasty boost leak. But I guess when it was getting hot, it was
Expanding, I guess.
yeah. And on the compressor where the coupling ties onto the outlet,
This one?
yeah, it was touching the manifold and like starting to burn through it.
Oh.
So I had to take it back off, reclock it, turn it down more. Yeah, it's been a good time.
Yeah, so that's where we're at now. So all that has to be done now is got to put the drain on, but then a couple intercooler pipes,
Yeah, the drain, intercooler piping.
and then the wastegate has to be hooked up to the boost controller.
Yeah, I already got the vacuum lines ready to go. Just got to put them back on.
So yeah, so we're gonna do that, and hopefully take it for a drive, even though we're supposed to be quarantined.
And hit more than 8 psi.
Yeah.
Because if it doesn't work this time, I really don't know what else to do.
Yeah.
Because I've gone through everything with a fine tooth comb.
Yeah. All right, let's get to it. All right, well, we spent the last, I don't know, hour trying to get the drain on the turbo to made it to the block. It was just fighting us because there's not a lot of room to work with in there. So now we just got to get these intercooler pipes on, and I don't know if we'll be able to take it for a ride or anything because of our time restrictions. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, so we got everything buttoned up. So we're going to start it up and see what it does. Don't know if we'll be able to drive it because it's way past our bedtime. But we'll see. think you're good.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Still at 8 psi. I really don't know what else the issue could be. I've completely gone through the system. I've pressure tested everything, and now the oil pan is leaking oil pretty bad. When we put it on, it was warped up pretty bad, so it to be expected, but it's just it's frustrating, which I'm sure everyone knows who has a project car. But yeah, I can't, it won't take any more boost, and everything has been replaced. I've smoke tested everything. I've ran out of ideas. I don't know what else could be. If you have any ideas, please let us know. All right, so this is R with S&R signing off. You know the drill. If you like the videos, you want to help support the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you can be notified when new videos come out. We have a podcast that comes out every Sunday morning, and then we release the video on Wednesday. Check it out. If you want to throw some questions at us, throw them on the YouTube channel. We'll answer them or mumble our ways through them. But anyways, thank you. Big shout out to Real Street. Hans with Real Street. I ordered some gaskets from them. Top notch customer support. Those guys are awesome. They're on top of it. So if you need something, definitely check them out. And no, we're not getting anything for it. I just they're an awesome company. They did a great job. And yeah, big thumbs up. So thank you guys, and keep on motoring.